2024 GLE Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE53. It's a sweet ass ride, badass SUV. It's got the red interior. Gonna drop it, show you that real quick. But what he came in here for was a Muffy D. We bypassed that muffler, ran some pipe. It does have valves on the back, so you guys can see these valves right here. We got rid of them so the car doesn't get a checked engine light. We slapped these on there. These are valve simulators, all right, to simulate valve. All right, so if you want some no check engine lights, you hit G exhaust up, you come by, we do some valve simulators for you and a Muffy D, and plug them in right here where the wire comes in. You plug them in, pretty simple, just like that. Not like that, this way, and then boom, clip it, zip tie it in the corner, no check engine light, all right, guaranteed. All right, so if you want a Muffy D, you want it done right, you hit us up, pop some valve simulators on there, and we'll basically just get your car sounding more aggressive, and you won't have any checked engine light, so you don't have to worry about bypassing the valves. Customer wanted to sound better, didn't want to spend $5,000 on a system. Unfortunately, that's the only option for these cars, and you know, we got some cheaper alternatives. We're a custom shop. We do custom exhaust all day, and if you're looking for a modification like this on your GLE, just hit us up. Muffy D simulators, we got you guys. So the stock setup on these cars are pretty much all standard. All the 53s and the 55s look about the same. They're straight 6-cylinder engine, so it comes with a single mid pipe, 3-inch all the way through, pretty much straight pipe on the midsection, high flow Y, and then 2 pipes to the back, and then obviously the stock muffler, but we chopped that thing. We did a Muffy D on it, and now it sounds sweet. So that big ass muffler was holding back all the sound, did not sound like how the car was supposed to. So like I said, $5,300 options are kind of crazy for an AMG 53. You don't need to spend that much. Just come by, we'll hook you up, we'll do a custom modification for you, chop off that thing, and boom, put it in the trunk for you. Just in case you want to swap it back in the future, you can always go back to stock, guys. It's 100% reversible. That's why we always like to keep it relatively inexpensive when you do a modification like this, so you can swap it back in the future. Car goes back to stock, car maintains all its value, and you never knew we was there. So pretty sweet setup if you ask me, and highly recommend it. If I bought a GLE, Muffy D is the first thing I'm doing. So we're gonna drop it, show you guys the interior, and then obviously rev it, and then like, comment, subscribe, share this, all right? Don't be pricks, guys. Share the post, all right? And like it and subscribe and stuff. We got a brand new Cybertruck. We're doing a Muffy D on this thing today. Stay tuned. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think.